Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Sync. So this is the 11th query of our coffee shop case study, and we are currently working on customer order patterns and retention. And the query is saying identify customers who have not placed an order in the last 30 days. We will solve this query with two methods. One is not in subquery and left join. In the first method, we will build a list of customers and then exclude them using not in. We are using order table, so let's look at it. We will use created a date column from this and customer name. In the first method, we will find the customers who have ordered in the last 30 days and then exclude them using not in, because we want customers who have not ordered in the last 30 days. So let's start writing the query. We will first start with the select statement. First we will select a distinct customer name. Where distinct customer name? It's because we don't want one customer appear more than one time from orders table. Now in where class we will filter out those customers who have ordered in the last 30 days. Now for the last 30 days we will use current data subtract interval 30 days. This gives us the data 30 days ago. So where created a timestamp, its type is text, so we have to typecast it to timestamp, because without that we cannot perform time date functions. So two colons and then data type timestamp, and then we will say that created a timestamp is greater than the last 30 days, and for that we will use current data, it means today, and subtract it from the last 30 days. So current date will give us the current data and subtract, and we will use interval 30 days. This tells SQL to go back exactly 30 days from today. An interval gives you a specific interval like 30 days, 2 days, 1 year, based on what you mentioned inside the double quotes. So let's run this part, and I'm sure it will return nothing, because our database contains data from February 2024 second month onward, and today is June 25, so it won't return anything. Now we'll select those customers who have not ordered in the last 30 days, and for that we will the same distinct names from orders table, and we will filter out those customers who have not ordered in the last 30 days. The below scripts returns the customers who have ordered in the last 30 days, and in this we will filter out where, and in this where clause we will say customer name, where customer name not in, and we will wrap up in this script. The subquery returns customers who have ordered in the last 30 days, and in the above scripts we filtered out those customers who have not ordered in the last 30 days using not in. Let's run the query, and this query will return all the names, because these customers have not ordered in the last 30 days. Wait, if you were writing this query on March 15, 2024, what would it return? So let's do this. First let's give it a better structure to the subquery. Press tab. Now it looks good. Let's say we are writing this query on March 15, 2024, and we will see what it returns. Let's look at the orders table, so you would understand the data. Now as you can see, the data is from the second month and also from the second week of 2024. Now in order to do that, we will copy the same query, just we will change the current data into date 2024, third month and 15 day, right? And it will return those customers who have not ordered in the last 30 days. That means we will only get those customer names who were ordered before 15th February 2024, right? Okay, so here we will say date and then double quotes and year 2024, third month and 15 date, right? So we will copy this data and paste it there. Okay, so the query is completed. Let's run the query to see the output. Now the output shows those names who have not ordered in the last 30 days if you were writing the query on 2024 third month and 15 day, right? So this is the query output, and the name you have seen are those who have ordered on day 12 or 13 or 14 but before 15, right? Before 15 on the second month and never ordered again. For this query there is also another solution using left joiner. We'll see it before. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and click the like button. That gives us motivation to make more videos like this. Well, in this left join method we will copy the same query and paste it here. And now in the comments let's say solution with the left join. Now here we will use the subquery as second table order 2, and then we will join it with order 1 using customer name, and then we will filter out those customers from order 1 who are not present in order 2 table. Order 2 table have those customers who have ordered in the last 30 days, right? And we want those customers who have not ordered in the last 30 days. Now we will use the subquery as left join. And we will label the above order table as order 1, right? And this table in the subquery will label it as order 2, and now we will join both tables using the common column which is customer name. On order 1 that customer name should be equal to order 2 that customer name. In the where clause now we will filter out those customers whose names are not present in the second table which is order 2. This will give us the customers who have not ordered in the last 30 days, right? Now here we will write where order 2 that customer name is null. So the query will return those names from order 1 table whom are not present in order 2 table, because if it's null in order 2 it means that are the customers who have not ordered in the last 30 days. I hope you understand. I have explained it in a very clear and simple way. Now let's run the query to see the output. Okay, well the output is the same like the previous query, right? If you see the previous query output, both would be the same. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and hit the like button. See you in the next video.